Most people drive every day, but almost no one knows their car is hiding simple features that can save money, stop damage, and make driving way easier. The crazy part? You've seen these features 100 times, you just never use them. Today, I'm showing you 10 genius car hacks almost no driver knows. And the first one is something you've probably ignored your whole life. Let's jump in. Number 10. The $1 fruit hack for your windshield. Imagine driving on a sunny morning and your windshield looks cloudy or greasy. You turn on the wipers, but they just smear it. Most people think, I need expensive glass cleaner. Here's the surprise. You don't. You just need an apple. The inside of an apple has malic acid, which breaks down the greasy film. It also creates a lotus effect, making water roll off instead of sticking. Rub half an apple on your windshield, let it sit briefly, then wipe it off. Instantly, your glass becomes clear, rain slides off easier, and bugs don't cling. The best part? An apple costs less than $1, while cleaners or professional services cost $15 to $30. Most drivers don't know this trick, but once you try it, you'll see how simple and effective it is. Number 9. The $3 toothpaste trick that erases scratches. Imagine spotting a new scratch on your car. A body shop would charge $75 to $150, but a $3 tube of whitening toothpaste can often fix light scratches instantly. The tiny polishing particles in toothpaste smooth the top layer of your paint, making scratches fade or disappear. Here's how. Wash the area, put a small dab of toothpaste on a soft cloth, rub in circles for 30 seconds, then wipe clean. You'll see a big difference. This only works on surface scratches. If your fingernail catches, it's too deep and needs professional repair. For small marks, this simple trick saves money and keeps your car looking newer without ever visiting a shop. Number 8. The $2 nail polish fix that stops rust forever. You know that tiny ping when a rock hits your car? It leaves a small paint chip that looks harmless, but that little spot is exactly how rust begins. And once rust starts, it spreads fast and can turn into a repair that costs $200 or more. But the fix is surprisingly cheap: clear nail polish. Just dab a little right over the chipped area. It creates a protective seal that keeps air and moisture out, stopping rust before it can form. If your car has colored paint, you can even use matching nail polish to make it blend in better. This trick works almost like a touch-up pen, but instead of paying $10 to $20, you spend just $2. It takes less than 30 seconds, and one small drop can protect your car for months. Number 7. The $6 spray that silences annoying squeaky doors. Every driver knows this moment. You open your car door and it makes that loud, embarrassing creak that everyone around can hear. It happens because the door hinges slowly collect dust, moisture, and tiny bits of rust over time, and that buildup creates friction. The easiest fix? A $6 can of WD-40. Just a quick spray on each hinge is enough to coat the metal and remove that friction instantly. Within seconds, the door goes from loud and stiff to smooth and completely silent, almost like the car just left the dealership. The best part is that WD-40 doesn't just stop the squeak, it also protects the hinge from rust, so the problem doesn't return as fast. It's fast, cheap, and unbelievably satisfying. Number 6. The kitchen ingredient for your dashboard shine. Here's one of the most unexpected car hacks ever. Olive oil, the same one you use for cooking, can make your dashboard look fresh and clean again. Dashboards dry out and fade because of heat and sunlight. Most people buy expensive sprays to fix this, but a few drops of olive oil works just as well. Just put a little on a soft cloth and rub it across the dashboard. It brings back the rich color, adds a smooth shine, and even helps reduce tiny cracks without making the surface feel greasy. It gives your car that just detailed look, and the best part is, it smells way better than harsh chemical cleaners. It's cheap, gentle, and perfect for quick cleanups when you want your car to look its best. Number 5. The $2 brush hack to remove dust from your air vents. Car air vents hold way more dust than most people think. Even if the rest of your car looks clean, The vents stay dirty because normal cloths can't reach those tiny spaces. But there's a super cheap fix: a $2 paintbrush or makeup brush. These soft brushes slide between the vent blades and pull out dust that's been stuck there for months or even years, and the results are instant. You can actually see the dust coming out. Cleaner vents also help your AC blow fresher air, improve airflow, and remove that old, dusty smell cars get over time. It's simple, cheap, and works better than most fancy interior tools. Once you try it, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Number 4. The weird slime trick that cleans your car like a pro. Here's one of the weirdest but most effective car cleaning hacks: cleaning slime. Most people think it's just a kid's toy, but it's actually amazing for cleaning the small, hard-to-reach spots in your car. The slime presses into tiny cracks, cup holders, buttons, vents, and around the gear shifter. When you pull it back up, it lifts dust, crumbs, hair, and sand instantly. It works like a tiny vacuum that fits everywhere your real vacuum can't go. This trick removes dirt that even brushes leave behind, and it makes your interior look clean and fresh with almost no effort. Plus, it's fun to use and reusable until it gets too dirty. Number 3. The $3 winter hack to stop frozen car doors. If you live in a cold climate, you know the struggle. It's freezing, you're running late, and your car door is frozen shut. You pull on it, and sometimes the rubber seal tears or the latch gets damaged. Repairs that can easily cost hundreds. Here's a surprisingly simple solution: Vaseline. For just $3, rub a thin layer along all the rubber seals on your doors, trunk, and even the hood. It forms a protective barrier that keeps moisture from sticking, so ice won't freeze overnight. Do this once or twice each winter, and your doors will open smoothly every time, no yanking or worrying about damage. It's cheap, fast, and one of those small hacks that saves money, stress, and a ton of frustration. Number 2. The 5-minute air filter hack. Mechanics charge $80 for. Most drivers don't realize a dirty cabin air filter does more than make your AC weak. It spreads dust, allergens, and can make your car smell musty. Mechanics know this and often charge $60 to $80 to replace it. Here's the simple fix. In most cars, the filter sits right behind the glove box. Open it, release a few clips, slide the tray out, swap in a new filter, and close it. Done. A fresh filter costs around $10, takes less than 5 minutes, and instantly improves airflow, cabin air quality, and even HVAC efficiency. Just a few minutes and a $10 filter saves you nearly $80, protects your system, and keeps your car smelling clean. It's one of the easiest maintenance hacks every driver should know. Number 1. The free newspaper sticker hack. Stubborn stickers on your car windows, old parking tags, oil reminders, or dealership decals can be tough to remove. Scraping risks scratches, and chemicals can damage tint or leave streaks. Here's the simple, free solution. Soak a sheet of newspaper in warm, soapy water, press it over the sticker, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The moisture softens the adhesive, and when you pull the paper away, sticker comes off easily. Any leftover residue wipes clean with a damp cloth. No scratches, no chemicals, completely free if you already have newspaper. Works on windshields, side windows, mirrors. Perfect for prepping your car for a trip, sale, or just a quick clean. And there you have it. 10 simple but powerful car hacks that most drivers have never noticed. From using an apple to clean your windshield, toothpaste to fix scratches, nail polish to stop rust, to many other hidden hacks. These tricks are just cool. They save you money, protect your car, and make driving safer and easier every single day. And I want to know, which one of these hacks shocked you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool car tips.